Fight against terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir is taking place in full swing. In the latest, the security forces have neutralized 6 terrorists in 2 different encounters in South Kashmir's Kulgam. While 2 terrorists were shot dead in Mudargam district, the bodies of 4 terrorists have been recovered from Chinigam. Unfortunately, there have been casualties on the forces side as well. 2 soldiers of the army have been killed in line of duty. But the operations are still ongoing. The security forces believe 7 to 8 more terrorists are still holed up and their presence has been confirmed. The CRPF has deployed a special dog squad as well to aid in the search operations.
दो अलग-अलग एनकाउंटर साइट्स पे एनकाउंटर्स हुए हैं। बॉडी की कंफर्मेशन के हिसाब से 6 आतंकियों का मारे जाने का खबर है। जी जी, ये एक बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है, बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्रेस है। सिक्योरिटी एनवायरनमेंट में मजबूती लाने के लिए ये सक्सेसेस बहुत मायने रखते हैं और एक सब्सटेंटिव तौर पे भी और एक मैसेजिंग के तौर पे भी।
Anti-terror operations continue in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. So far, security forces have killed 6 terrorists. 2 army jawans have also laid down their lives for the nation. We are reporting from Mudargam area of South Kashmir's Kulgam district, and my Vijay Shafiq will show you the area where this encounter is in fact underway. Today is the day 2nd of these encounters, these anti-terror operations, and so far security forces have killed 6 terrorists. 4 in Chinigam village of Kulgam, while as 2 terrorists have been killed in Mudargam village of Kulgam. This is the Mudargam locality. This is the encounter spot of Mudargam Kulgam, where the anti-terror operation is underway. Jammu and Kashmir Police, Army and CRPF is jointly conducting these operations, these in fact anti-terror operations. Security forces of course had input about the presence of 7 to 8 terrorists hiding in fact in these 2 locations in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. Following that, security forces acted on the information, conducted coordinated search operations, and during those search operations, terrorists hiding in fact in these 2 locations fired upon security forces. Our security forces responded back, and in response there were 2 encounters and 6 terrorists so far have been killed. 4 terrorists were killed yesterday, 2 have been in fact eliminated today by the security forces. These are the visuals you are getting from Mudargam area of Kulgam district. CRPF, you can see Indian Army Jawans, special para commandos are also part of this operation, who are in fact taking leading from the front. This operation in fact is important given the fact that these terrorists were active in South Kashmir's Kulgam district from last few years, and eliminating them was very important for security forces. You see para commandos here in Kulgam, all also part of this operation, and hence at both places the operation still continues. There are also search operations which are being conducted by Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF together. These army jawans and para commandos are leading from the front. 6 have been killed, 6 terrorists have been killed, and 2 army jawans have also laid down their lives for the nation.